This is phenomenal. Ozark Trail M3 e-bike. That's how it looks. Pass assist. Press and hold down the front. Up button and the light comes on. Back. "26 by 4" fat tires. Nice rack. Well made rack. Beefy kickstand. You know. Ozark Trail. Back fender. Corner reflector. Back reflector. Front reflector. Battery sits under the bike. The green light is on. The battery is on. It comes with one key, which I'm not really happy about. They should have gave me 2 keys. Quick start, man. Nice soft seat. Front shocks. Seven speeds. Trip mileage. Pass assist. Current speed. Battery indication. And when you have the light turned on. Turn the light off, press and hold, light goes away. Light icon. It's just a nice bike. Can't wait to take it out for a ride. Thanks for watching the video.